Welcome to Excel Intuition's Concatenate Examples video. Suzanne here. If you haven't already done so, I recommend downloading the companion workbook so you can examine it, learn from it, and try things on your own. We're going to jump to the worksheet in this workbook labeled Concatenate Definition. The word concatenate means to link together, and the concatenate function in Excel allows you to link together different text arguments to create a new text string. In this case, we have 5 different text strings linked together to form a new text string, which happens to be a complete name starting with last name first, and then the last name is followed by a comma space, and then the first name followed by another space, and then the middle name. If we jump to the Concatenate Examples worksheet, we can see the concatenate function in action. By double-clicking in the cell, we see that the last name is in cell B8, and the text for that in the function is in blue, and the cell B8 is also shaded blue, so you can see the connection between them. And that argument is terminated with a comma. Then the next argument is a text string in quotes, the comma space that we want to follow the last name. Then the third argument, text 3 inside concatenate, is cell C8, which contains the first name, which is shaded red, just as the text is, of the argument is. That's followed by a fourth argument to the concatenate, which is a space to put between the first name and the middle name. And then the fifth argument, text 5 of the concatenate function, is the middle name, which is in purple text, and it's highlighted purple up in the cell D8. Alternatively, we've formatted the same 3 names into a full name that starts with the first name. We still have 5 arguments. This time the first argument is the first name, the second argument is a space, third argument is the middle name, fourth argument is another space, and the fifth argument is the last name. Thank you very much. Come back for the Concatenate Challenges video.